Hi guys, Kyle here from KJD Photography. Just an announcement that we'll be having a workshop on the 26th of August 2023. It's going to be all about low-key portraiture. We're just going to be using the one light, the 8300 Pro, which is lit up on the softbox at the moment. So we're going to be showing the guys how different light modifiers, placements of lights get a beautiful low-key portraiture used in video. It can be used in photography, so it's going to be an exciting thing. So we're starting at 10 AM, finishing at 2, sort of a hands-on type of workshop. Go through a couple of slides and then get straight into the meat of the setting up of the lighting and getting the guys to do the shooting. So another thing, after the 2 o'clock is over, we're going to be shooting with our brand ambassador Donna on a couple of different shoots and looks. So excited also to release some of that content out to you guys, and hopefully we can get some nice video as well to release onto our YouTube channel as well as our Facebook page. Be sure to follow KJD Photography. You can go to Instagram, all the links and stuff are below. Go to godox.co.za, have a look at the lighting that we actually use. We're going to be using, as I said in the workshop, we'll be using the 8300 Pros. Go and have a look at their site. You can use my discount code as well, which is also below, which is godoxcarld. Get an additional discount on your purchase. Forward to the 26th, and I'm looking forward to meeting the guys and working with the guys. And yeah, that's about it. We'll catch you guys later.